Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoDaddy website builder, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you update or change your GoDaddy website builder on? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the Favicon anyways in your GoDaddy website builder? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is really important, and by adding a Favicon, you can change it to your logo or something to do with your business. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoDaddy website builder. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoDaddy website builder, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a Favicon, here on the right side, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to look for the Favicon button right here. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and click upload and choose your Favicon. Now they do let you know the recommended dimensions are 180 by 180. So let me go ahead and choose a file. Okay, I chose a new file. You can see that I'm using this taco picture, and I'm going to click on done. Okay, now you're not quite finished until you click on publish here on the top left. Next, you want to choose the website you're going to publish your Favicon onto. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the pop-up saying that my Favicon has been updated. Now just note that sometimes it takes some time for it to propagate through the web, but if you want to see what the Favicon looks like, go ahead, click here, view site. Okay, so up here on the top, you can see it's a very small picture Favicon of the tacos that we put on there. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add or update your Favicon in your GoDaddy website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.